Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to answer a question that's been asked hundreds and thousands of times.
What exactly is Instagram SEO?
Let's first start by looking at what SEO is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the art of optimizing something, often a website or blog, to make it appear higher up in search engine results. So, for example, if you were a bakery in London, you'd want your business website to come up when someone searches on Google for "bakery in London." Instagram SEO, or Instagram Search Engine Optimization, is exactly the same. It's the art of optimizing your Instagram account so that it, and your content, appears in not only results for searches on Instagram, but also results for searches on search engines such as Google. It sounds rather confusing, but I promise you it's not all that difficult once you start to break it down. That's what I'm going to do for you in this series of videos. In this first video, I'm going to explain to you, in the simplest terms, how SEO or search engine optimization works. My next videos will focus on the exact things you should change on your Instagram account to get more views, engagement and followers. What exactly do you have to optimize for Instagram SEO? Optimize, or optimization, is such a generic word. Digital marketers use it all the time. It's easy to say, optimize your content and account. But what does that actually mean? Optimizing your Instagram account means tweaking little things so that you have a higher chance of being seen by people. The little things you should tweak include your username, your display name, your bio, content captions, the hashtags you're using, if any, alt text, location tags, and more. I'm going to go into each one, in more detail, in videos coming soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications if you want to catch them all. By adding keywords, which are words and phrases that people might search online, to your captions, etc., you can ensure that your account and content comes up when someone searches for those keywords. What does good Instagram SEO look like? If you have a well-optimized Instagram account, your account will have a decent following, provided you create awesome content, of course. Your account and your content will be seen by more people, and in turn, more people will engage with it and potentially follow you. Let's do a little search for something completely random on Instagram, so I can show you what I mean. Let's search for social media tips on Instagram. This is the results screen. The first results are the most optimized Instagram accounts and content. They have reached the top spot in the results. The aim is to be as high up in the results as possible, because most people will only click on the first couple. That's not to say that accounts not appearing in those results have rubbish SEO. There are lots of things that must be taken into account, all of which you'll learn about in this series. I'm going to put an end to this video, but please reach out and let me know if you have any burning Instagram SEO questions that you want me to answer. Don't understand keywords? Don't know where to put them? Confused about what kind of thing you should write in your bio? Let me know. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.